Hey, and welcome to this video for driphonedatarecovery.com. In this video, we're going to be showing you how to use the software. It's Dr. iPhone Data Recovery, which is going to allow you to recover data from iOS devices. So if you head to the website, driphonedatarecovery.com, this is the home page here. So if we scroll down the page here, we've got some information about the software. And then at the bottom, we have a short description of how we can actually use the software to recover data. Heading back to the top of the website, whenever you're ready, you can download the software. Just click on the Download Now button. Okay, so we can see that the installer is now downloading onto our computer. As soon as that installer is downloaded, we can go ahead and run the installer. Okay, so now the installer is downloaded onto our computer. We can go ahead and launch it and start the installation process. Okay, so now let's go ahead and select our language and click on OK. Click on Next. Agree to license agreement and click on Next again. Choose the location to save the files and click on Next. And click on Next, and Install. Alright, so once we're done, we can go ahead and click on Finish. Alright, now once you open the software for the first time, you're going to get this message here that this is the unregistered version. So we can go ahead and click on Order Later, and we're going to go ahead and use this trial for now. At any given point in time, you can purchase the software. If you click on Purchase here, you can pay for the software and get the full version. You can also register from here as well, but for now, we're going to go ahead and click on Order Later. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to need to do in order to use the software is you're going to want to go ahead and plug in your iOS device. So as you can see, as indicated here, it's going to ask you to plug in your iOS device to continue. Okay, so I've gone ahead and plugged in my phone into the computer. So the next thing that we're going to want to do is go ahead and click on the Start Scan button here. Now once you click on the Start Scan button, it's going to go ahead and scan your phone for all files that can be recovered. You can see here that on the left-hand side, what I can do is I can select any of these categories that I want to recover. So if I want to recover my camera roll, I can recover all those files. I can also recover my photo stream, my contacts, messages, etc. Here I've got all of my contacts, and I'm going to recover all that data from my phone. Once we've selected the data that we want to recover, we can go ahead and click on Recover in the bottom right-hand corner here. Now, in addition to recovering data from your iOS device, you can also recover data from an iTunes backup file. So from the main screen here, if we click on Recover from iTunes backup file and then we start our scan once again, you can see that I can now browse to the file that I want to use. So now I can browse through all of my iTunes backup files and select the one that I want to use here. So I'll click on the first one, and then I can go ahead and click on Start Scan. And now I'll be able to see all of the files that I can recover from that iTunes backup file. Just the same way we'd be able to recover files from the iPhone. And that's really all there is to it. That's how you can easily recover data from your iPhone or iOS device, as well as from your iTunes backup files. Go ahead and check out the software. It's available on driphonedatarecovery.com. You can go ahead and download your trial today for free. Thanks for watching this video tutorial and have a great day.